Hey, how's it going? In this drawing lesson, we're going to go over how to draw a pigeon. Really cool bird. I want to go through and actually start drawing like all the different kind of birds that I can draw, to be honest. I think it's really cool to do that. I did that with flowers. I'm still doing it with flowers. It's just kind of fun to have a library of that on the channel, right? Like a playlist of that. So the pigeon's much cooler than you think it is. So if you're brand new, you will be able to do this. And it's going to be step by step, okay? It's going to be under 8 minutes. Let's get started. Alrighty, let's get started on this guy. Let's do it. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull up on the back of his head. Okay. I'm going to curve right there. Kind of, it's gonna be the top of his head down to the front. And I'm gonna throw the little bit of that top part of the beak there. Down over here, curve. And then a circle over here for the the eye. Gonna throw a circle here. Gonna find the bottom of the face right there on that side. And I am going to, he's gonna have a big belly, curve here. Right on. Don't forget, if you like easy to draw stuff like birds or anything like that, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post 3 videos every single day, and it's going to allow you to see what I have on the channel. All right, I'm going to go over here. Back. It's back there. I don't really like pigeons, honestly. I think pigeons are kind of gross, but I guess they're cute when they're isolated. But the ones on the street are like gross. Curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath right here for the feathers. One big one right here. And I'm gonna go over here as well. So I'm gonna continue this sweep on that side. Okay. I'm gonna go to the back here. I'm gonna pull a line out for the tail, or at least that's pretty much the tail. Down here, pull up. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a curve with the marker. I guess you can also do this with the pencil as well, but I'm gonna do like this curve for the kind of shapes there. Down right here. Down right here. Out. 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 Line back. We're gonna do the foot, obviously. And then over here as well. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 back. Like so. Alright, let's do a thin line over here around the neck. Line here with thin. And then the line's going to continue around the front here. Like so. Line over here to kind of split up the tail a little bit. And I think what's really going to happen is a lot of the character is going to come out through the color, which I'm about to put in. Before you do anything else, hit the like button if you like these simplistic drawings here. I want to do a lot more birds, stuff like that. Absolutely hit the like, and yeah, say hi to me in the comment section if you hear my voice right now. So it's a big deal. So we're gonna jump into the color. So let's hop right in. It's gonna be a speed coloring thing. So let's jump in. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.